this thing wiped off real quick, ladies and gents. Not too bad, but it rained earlier this week and it just made it kind of yucky. So we got some water spots we got to take care of because we've got some cars and coffee this morning. All right, the wheels are filthy, but that's looking at least much better. I want to see if we can get the sense for the crackles this morning because they're a little aggressive. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but that sounded pretty nice. I know a lot of people don't like the crackle tune. I'm getting used to it. Is it growing on me? I don't know. I'm definitely getting used to it. I'll say that much. I'm feeling like a good iced coffee this morning. How about you, Jessica? Mm-hmm. So this Cars and Coffee is once a month. First Sunday of every month at Aromas. No free coffee, but we will support a local business with our patronage. I feel like it's a good civil duty. We also had a crazy windstorm the other day. It knocked down a bunch of trees and branches and stuff. So this whole street looked like a war zone. It was kind of wild. There's actually a giant tree down in the road. It took up like half of a bigger road over that way. But anyways, it was before the police got there. A few people almost hit it. I was able to avoid it. It was very, very interesting. Beautiful, clear day for the Cars and Coffee. Yeah, we cleaned the wheels like a week ago and they're just absolutely toast already. So I think it's coffee time, and if anybody wants to say my wheels are dirty, they're more than welcome to do so. Oh yeah, this is just what my brain was envisioning when I was thinking about an iced coffee. It's hitting just right. Let's see what's here. This is 100% my favorite thing here. Oh my God. What in the world, dude? This is so sick. Ladies and gents, we have quite a polar turnout with Cars and Coffee. I also love it because if we were downstate, nobody would be batting an eye. Yeah. But when a green Huracan pulls in, everybody's like, holy sh-. It's a cool car, but people doing the whole zombie thing over it is a little much. Maybe it's the first one they've seen. Who knows? Damn! That's wild. We've seen this BMW here before. Super interesting. Everything about it says BMW, but I don't know. It confuses me. So if anybody knows what this is, comment. We did a little Cars and Coffee earlier. I'll be honest with you, not a whole lot going on this week. We are making it up as we go. Got off work a little early today, so going to be heading to M22 Detailing, repping the shirt for the boys to see what they got going on. I actually know for a fact they have a really cool project right now. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. If you guys are new to the channel, we just hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, it's so awesome. 20,000 people. To put that in perspective, that's like, I don't know, this many people? It's like a lot of people. So I wanted to let you know that I'm very, very thankful for that and for all y'all. Also, I have a very important update on the channel. We'll get to that here in a bit. We're gonna head to the shop. I'm gonna put my phone down. We're gonna drive safe. Catch you guys in a second. Whoa. Look at that big hoss. That's certainly, that's actually the first time I've seen it in person, I think. Check it out. But can we give a little update as to why that is? Can we just tell the people?
Because I am a member of Diesel Nation now.
The S5's gone.
No more fast car, S5's gone.
The S5 is on to a new owner. A couple viddies. Got the A5 still, of course.
Yeah, probably just hoping to be like, just in a P1 or a LaFerrari in the next 18 months.
That's the short-term goal. Perfect.
Yeah. No, I'm just taking a break from the speed life.
It happens. It happens. But wanted to stop by, give that quick update. Of course, this is a little surprise that I already mentioned. Pretty neat project. This wrap, I swear I've seen before on like some sort of social media, Instagram, whatever. It's like green and purple and blue. Different shades, different lightings, but on the 330, and I believe this is the G30 body style. Couple aftermarket parts, the CSW wheels.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, it's a fun one. It's a work in progress, so I think when it's done, it's gonna look sick. I mentioned there's some like bumper action going on over here, so gonna be changing that as well. I told the people I had to rep the M22 merch when I came here, so I'm ripping it.
I don't even have black one of those shirts.
Really?
Yeah, that shirt's sick.
I think I have this one and some like t-shirts, but
That shirt's
the moisture wicking athletic fit, the coveted one-off. Oh, baby. Dude, that's clean. That thing's gotta be polished and ceramic coated.
You want to wrap carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber wrap on this thing? What? You know what happens to things under pressure that are carbon fiber?
Yes.
Yeah, they sink with the Titanic.
I'm glad you got that, because that was a wild reference. Oh, wow. Did you guys do this? PPF? Yeah. Holy
I
crap.
did this last week.
I didn't even see that.
I got a
edge.
trim right here, but yeah, it turned out pretty good.
Yeah, it looks nice, man. Got some practice on those C8s.
Yeah, I wrapped this in a day and a half.
Saw these Vossen hybrid forged wheels going on an S6. What are these, but 9.5? What are the size here? 20 by 9? I want to film some of that. That'd be
Probably make a
so sick.
I'll probably let you make a video on that.
Dude, I want to. A lot of people like the 4.0T content. You guys want to see a sick S6 with some mods? Comment. This is how big this truck is. What's the plan for this?
Getting lifted, wheels and tires very soon. I'm gonna do power running boards instead of those. Gonna get wrapped at some point. I don't know what wrap I want to do yet.
Is this black or blue?
This is black.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm starting doing a 2-inch lift, 18-inch wheels, 35-inch off-road tires to start.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm getting some sick-ass wheels for it. This thing is fast. This has 500 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pounds of torque.
Top inside this thing. Oh, this is nice. Oh, what the heck?
Dude,
it's giant.
heated and air-conditioned seats,
No way.
full glass roof.
Okay, that's pretty dope.
Dude, I love it. And it rips.
We got the 360 top view camera too.
Oh, dude, the camera options are ridiculous.
No way. You got a hitch cam, top hitch cam.
If you have a trailer with a camera installed,
Jeez.
there's so much stuff, which is sick.
Yeah, that's sweet.
When you put in off-road mode,
Oh, that's where your tires are gonna go in the
Yeah.
front.
yeah, so like you can watch. This is the 4x4 off-road package, so you can watch where you're going.
She scoots. Can we do a quick cup holder check? Can we actually count, see how many we got here?
This
1, 2,
4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
There's the flip down
8.
armrest in the back.
What was there, 2 over there?
Yep.
9, 10.
Yeah.
It looks like a couple on each side, so
door has-
12. Should we just order 12 drinks to Taco Bell right now
Yeah,
and
let's
kind of give it a little
Load up
test?
the cup holders. Just do a $5 cravings box. Our coin
No
storage
way.
facility.
Dude, this is not real.
Yep. Dude, look how deep this center console is. It's carpeted too.
What? Oh, it
There's
does.
lighting in here. It's just,
That is so sick.
it's ridiculous.
Start my colossal step down, jump down. This thing is massive. No way. This got a little pew-pew holder.
Yeah.
Before we even touch anything, slap a fish on here.
Yep.
We measure it. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a step and a cane. So when you need to grab onto something, that's
You
amazing.
can come up here and work on the roof, do whatever you need to do.
Oh my gosh. Well, cool to see some stuff going on in the shop. Saw that BMW 330, that G30 getting wrapped crazy color. I can't wait till that's done. We gotta probably check in on that when it's finished because I want to see what that thing looks like. But yeah, the S5 is gone. Super cool build. Maybe I'll do like one of those building a S5 in 10 minutes. I did that with my old S5 and the video did really well. It's almost at 1 million views. I'm going 10 over and this dude's flying past me. It's crazy. Maybe we'll do like an update, kind of final build video with that car. It actually just got tuned back to stage 1. Hopefully we can do at least like one more video with it. I feel like this is becoming a Friday routine. It's 7:07 in the morning. Let's see what's popping. What happened?
Spilled my coffee everywhere.
That's rough. We're gonna get not invited back. Clouds are looking a little fraudulent today. Well, ladies and gents, we're on to another day. We had some cars and coffee throughout the week. We had some updates with the S5. Unfortunate update, but moving on, it is sold. Again, I really want to do one last video with that car just to kind of wrap things up. I feel like we didn't have closure almost. It just went so quickly. If you guys enjoy the video, want to see more stuff like this, all the car content on the channel is free. Go watch. Subscribe if you guys are new. Thank you so much again for 20,000 subscribers. Until next time, we'll see ya.